Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you modern kitchen design ideas for your home. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please like this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dear viewers, modern kitchen design has become a popular way to add personality and flair to any home. From sleek contemporary design to bold, bright color schemes, there are so many unique ideas for creating the perfect modern kitchen. Whether it's classic white cabinets with stainless steel appliances or bright colors and patterns, there's something for every style and budget. Kitchen designers need to stay abreast of the latest trends in modern kitchen design to create stunning spaces for their clients. Here we will explore some of the hottest trends and ideas in modern kitchen design. From incorporating natural materials like stone and wood to embracing statement-making hardware and appliances, we want to help you master the art of creating a modern kitchen that reflects the client's personal style and meets their needs. One trend that is particularly popular for modern kitchens is keeping the space open for maximum efficiency. Open kitchens are often seen as more contemporary than closed-off ones, while still providing the necessary functionality. This type of design is particularly ideal for a kitchen facelift, as it can provide a more modern look to an existing space in a cost-effective way. When designing a modern kitchen, it's important to remember the traditional elements that have been used in kitchens throughout the countries. While contemporary kitchen design has certainly come a long way, there are still some classic touches that can be included to give a timeless yet modern appeal to a kitchen. One traditional element that can be used to create effect is a farmhouse sink. These sinks have been popular for countries and making a comeback in modern kitchen designs. A farmhouse sink adds an old-world charm to the kitchen while being incredibly practical for washing dishes or preparing food. Using stone or tile accents in the kitchen is also a great way to create an updated yet classic look. Ceramic tiles can be used as a backsplash, while natural stone floors and countertops are elegant and timeless. Natural materials like wood and stone bring timeless appeal to any modern kitchen. Dear friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends, and also press the bell icon to receive my latest videos. Thank you.